We're at Disneyland and we don't know what we're riding to.
I don't want to speak because nahiya ako sa live. Wala pang nagwa-watch na.
I will hold.
Pag i-move mo yung camera, ito, hindi nanonood na. Anak, sabihin mo dito, hi guys.
Hello.
There's watching mo. There's watching.
One is
May
watching.
nanonood sa'yo mo.
Ano yan?
Live.
Hello.
May nanonood sa kanya.
Sino?
Hindi ko alam, may ayaw pakita eh.
Oh my God. Who's watching? If you're watching, please
Ano nga kung
comment.
sino?
Please comment your name. Let me show you. Hi, Mama. If you're watching this, comment. Wala na.
Magbabalik mo.
Nasa basuran pala tayo. Please. Hello. Kaya pala eh. Ganito ba yung watching?
Yep.
Read that message
Two viewers.
down there.
Ano mo ko sino? Who are the two of you?
Who are the two of you watching? Comment, please. going. The boat. Boat.
Sabi mo, we're riding.
We are riding the boat later. Please do not leave the live.
Let them see the boat.
The boat. The boat.
And
The boat.
bali. Eh, alam naman ni teacher. Sinabi na niya, di ba? Hindi natin alam na broadcast na pala nila dito. Sabi niya sir. Ano sabi mo nila dito?
Wala pa nanonood. About this Hello. Kuri.
We're going to the next.
Going to the next. We're going to the next. Wow, may isa nag-review. Hello. Hello. The boat. The boat. The boat is going away. Going na na na
Ako naman din naman si Valerie. Ha?
Hello. Can you fill in the heart? The other half. Done. 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 Hello.
Gawin mo may para sa Ano? Panis ka na niya, ano? Dali, sagutin mo. Pwede ka naman magsalita sa mic.
Hello!
Hello, Ate Mel.
Hello, Ate Mel. Sige, tutuloy ko. Hawakan mo! Hawakan mo.
Ayun ang mic ko. Ayun ang mic ko. Magsalita ka lang. Maririnig ka na. Huwag ka na pindot ko.
Hello!
Ano, timer. Certain. Nak, sabi mo, where next?
Well, next po. Ano ba yun? Because
Ano, okay, ano mo na? Pindutin mo na.
yung ano?
Pindutin sa harap.
Ito? Ito?
Yan.
Alin, tatili ko.
Oh. Oo.
VIP seat. They sit in the middle on the side of the book. Everything. Water, bullets. The wind is something that's really funny right now. I have to get cold. Alright, it's 60 right here as well. Thank you. People boarding. Please don't leave any empty spaces, okay? Let's sit closer, please. Sit closer. You see lots of people need to board there. Don't have seatbelts on your head. Keep moving to the front, please. Keep moving to the front. Thank you. To the front. Okay, very good. And I think we're ready, so please just turn around and we can wave goodbye to the people on the job. Bye bye! And we'll never see them again, so remember their faces, okay? On behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, welcome aboard to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. My name is Athena and I'll be your skipper for 3 exciting days and 2 romantic nights. It's a long journey, so I hope you're ready. Now, right before we start, I do have some reminders. When the boat is moving, please stay seated, keep your hands off the legs and your head inside the boat at all times. Don't put them in the grey areas. Also, watch for your children and the people travelling with you. Now, if for some reason they jump off the boat, I don't understand, so I can't save them. That's on you. And now we can start. So please take a look at your left-hand side by the bridge. Tell me what you see right there. See that blue one? Yes, very good. You know his name? Gary. Yes, Gary the Snake. You know his full name. That's really good. Now, if you see Nick and Judy, just tell them that you found him over here, okay? They're looking for him. And on the right-hand side, we have Tarzan's treehouse. King of the jungle. But where is Tarzan? Let me look. Should be right there inside that cave. Can you see him just there, that shadow? Is that Tarzan? No, that's just a tree. Well, it's okay. You look at something a lot more cuter. Over here, we have the baby elephant and his mother. You see that now? I'm so sorry to be the bearer of bad news. The baby is not in a good mood today, okay? So he will spray water all over us. If you do want to get one, though, it's all right. I have a tip. You just wave at him and say hello in 3, 2, 1. Hello! Thank you. That works just fine. On this side, we have his brother. A lot less cute, this one. Look at his skin. It's all wrinkly. You know why? Because he's been sitting here hogging the shower since 5 a.m. this morning. Look at him. You don't want to learn from him, okay? And don't look at all him, please. You don't want that. Now, right up ahead, we have the balding father elephant. You hear that? I think he's pretty mad at us. We won't come up from his nap. But it's all right, guys. Don't worry. The worst we can do is take a shower. But it's all right. And everyone, people over here, if you have a raincoat, put it on. If you do, you might want to get down. In 3, 2. Never mind. He's still asleep. All right, guys. See? Gotcha. Alright, don't worry. I guess we're safe right now. We're entering the Rain Temple full of spiders. You might want to take a look at the left-hand side. See that one? You see those yellow markings? That means they're venomous. If they bite you, it's very important that you don't tell me about it, okay? Skipped all my first aid lessons. I can't save you. I'm so sorry. Over here as well, that's one more on this side, but don't worry. In front of us, we have the friendly-looking king cobras. And these two, they're really friendly. That one over there, not so much. Look at his eyes. Now, he's really easily angered. His eyes are turning red. I guess that's how cute. We better get going. Oh, don't worry. You see? He's still frozen in time. I guess that's it. Alright, I'm so sorry, guys. Now, over here is the worst time to be entering the crocodile's nest. It's their lunchtime right now, so please keep everything inside the boat, okay? That includes your phones, your hands, and most importantly, your children. Parents, I know you might be tired. Please don't toss your child overboard, okay? I tried that. They're not interested. It won't work. And over here we have my favorite part of the entire trip. My friends, they all turned into gorillas. Look at them. Only 2 of them are holding guns, but trust me, they do know how to fire one. You might want to get down right about that. Now they do have one bullet to take it. They used it up very unwisely, I might add. And now, welcome to the African safari. Tell me, what do you see in front of us? Got some zebras, giraffes, and also this one, the majestic African elephant. Now his name is Bob. Known for his bad temper, really bad temper. But yes, that one's worse. So turn around. I'll introduce you, okay? Her name is Ella. She loves the attention, but also she hates strangers. Yes, don't you? Oh, yeah, get that. We're leaving. Calm down. Goodness. Over here we have my hippos, just living their best life. You see, all they do is sleep, eat, sunbathe, and repeat. Sounds like a perfect life to me. I do the same, but you know, it gets in the way sometimes. It's all right. In 30 years, maybe 30 years, I will retire. And over here, look, we found my friends. That person in green shirt. That's my friend from Hong Kong, Dr. Chef. Oh, and underneath him, that guy with the red flag in his back. Right above the rhino with the hat. You know who he is? That's my ex-boyfriend right there. You can wave at him and say bye-bye. Now, bye-bye. Well, let's just leave him here, okay? He's got a lesson to learn. Over here, oh, hold on tight. It looks like we're entering the headhunters village. Now, no need to worry, everyone. I'm pretty sure they're friendly. Most of the time. Hopefully today's one of those days. Now, when we go in, please be friendly and be polite and say hi to them, okay? Otherwise, we will end up here. Hello? Hi! Yeah, you might want to come out too. Hey, never mind. All right, Vegas. We're good. Everything here is well. That those three. They should know better. No. They used to work here, just like me as a skipper. But they quit their job and they live here now. Their job now is to scare people every single day. Sounds like a perfect job for me. I can do the same. But before you go back, let me just check, make sure everybody's still here. People at the back, are you okay? You look fine to me. You're still on your phone. That's great. Now, just give me a few more seconds, and we'll be heading back really soon. Before we do, one last reminder. If you took anything from them, anything at all, weapons, jewelry, souvenirs, just throw it back in the river, okay? If you bring it home with you, they will come and hand to you at night, and I can't save you then. I tried that once. Really traumatizing. Please, don't put me through that again, okay? I don't get paid enough. And right now, I guess we're heading back. So please take a look right in front of us. See where those pink flowers are? Those plants and all those boats? That's where the dock is. And our journey has come to an end. Now, before we do that, I think it's time for a shower. Hold on tight, brace yourselves. I was just joking. The real challenge is on this side. You might want to take a look. We got some smoke coming out and some smoke. Nothing I can't handle. Just turn around, look at the back. Our lost souls right behind you. Oh, they're doing their lost soul. Well, I guess we're doing it. That's it. You guys are on your own. What's that for me? Let's see. Well, he's caught fire. Oh, I'm so sorry. Look at that. Let's get closer. You might want to take a photo down. Seems like a perfect time to be here. Okay, come on. Hey, everybody. All right, calm down. You in 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Oh, that was a long trip. You guys still alive? Yes, you are. That's great. If you're not, please don't tell me. Yeah, don't cost my job. If you don't like it, it's all right. I don't like him either. Oh, wait a second. Over here, we have our lost guest, the baby elephant. Look at him, so cute. Just wave at him and say bye-bye now. Bye-bye. All right. That was a long trip, guys. 3 days and 2 nights. I can't wait to go home. I need a break. Before you go back, remember to keep your elbows inside the boat. Don't put them in the gray areas. Thank you. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Elbows inside. On this side as well. And I guess we're free to go back once that boat farthest leave. Might be taking our own sweet time there. So in the meantime, please take a selfie with the baby elephant. It's your last chance, okay? He'll be moving home tomorrow. He's going to live with his father under the river with his husband. Never see him again. The brother covers him. All right, just make sure you don't drown, okay? And we'll be going back in a few seconds. Shouldn't take more than 2 minutes, to be honest. But it's all right. I guess we can go back right about now. Thanks so much. And hold on tight, guys. The dock is right over there. You see, we're going back really soon. So, if you enjoyed this trip, thank you for coming, and thank you for laughing, and thanks for joining in general. Now, if you didn't laugh at all, that's all right, okay? Yeah, thank you for leaving. You can get out once I stop my boat. Shouldn't take more than 5 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, I'm going to stop. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You guys are so brave. I'll see you guys next time, okay? Have a magical day. Hold on tight. No need to rush, and don't leave anything behind. The middle and the back door. Just don't climb through my windows. I will have to send you back to the jungle and the gorillas. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Puro likod ng lalaki nakuha mo.
Sino? Hindi.
Abulin natin yung parada, baka umabot ka.
Ngayon ba yun? Ayun ako. Umuusok.
Ano oras kaya yung Lion King? Dito yun eh.
14:30.
2:30. 2:30 pa lang. Dito tayo sa Mwana.
Nako. Nak. Lihat. Doon sa kabila. Kaya pala oras eh, oh. Yung mga oras ng picture.
Ito pa lang yung card. Oh. Aku udah moto tapi nggak foto sama dianya.
Hindi pa bukas. Naku, meron na naman bago Disneyland. Zootopia naman. Ano naman yan? Di pa natin napupuntahan yan ah. Hindi pa natin ito na po. Zootopia 2.
你試下唔俾利是啊！細路仔見到
呢個咯，唔好再折啦，過嚟跟住媽咪唔該。
Ha? Ayun. Ito ba yun? Ay, sorry. Anong palabas ba ito? Zootopia? Saan ang entrance? Doon yata yun, entrance eh.
Ibubuk siya. Doon, kailangan natin.
Oo nga, doon sila lumalabas. Saan yung entrance? Ayun, dyan yung exit eh. Doon ang exit oh. Papasok sa exit. Saan ka pupunta? Saan pupunta yan? Saan ang entrance? Ay, ayan. Ayan, oh. Ayan pala eh. Ayan, oh, ang dami, oh. Ay, ayun yung sinihan eh. Kaya pala eh. Napunta na natin yan. Oh, yung sine, si Donald Duck. Saan ka pupunta? Oo, yun yung sinihan mo, yung Donald Duck.
Saan yung entrance nito? Ba't sabi ko book?
Eh, dyan naka ano eh.
Alive pa rin?
Oo.
No, 差不多。
先去。